Right then, right guys, so we have come to that time, obviously just before I let you know what the result is, alright guys, remember, I don't want anybody to be disheartened by tonight's result of that. When you enter competitions, you know this is part of how it works. You just got to go and learn from it. What I do want to say before I make that announcement is to the two that are leaving us tonight, I don't want it to feel like you've got to be strangers to this network. I want you to continue to work, and I'm more than happy to work with you after this, and I'm sure the girls are happy to be there for advice and stuff and everything, you know, so don't feel like you just got to go away and that's it, you know. That's not the case. That's not what this network's about. We're here to help all of you, regardless to whether you're in it or not, alright? So I wanted to point that out first. So we have made a decision on who's leaving tonight, and we've also made a decision on the mentors categories, which I'm going to be announcing, alright? Now these categories are not set in stone as in you need to only work with that mentor that you're given. You can work with all of us, you know, you don't have to particularly just work with the one, but they are kind of your point throughout the next couple of weeks in this, alright? So that is your mentor you go to for advice. Obviously, if you want to work with everyone else throughout the other judges now, you're more than welcome, alright? So you haven't got to be stuck with one. It's just there in place as the categories, alright? So before we do that, we are going to make this result. So obviously the decision we've made tonight is obviously two people to leave us. And again, I truly believe these two people have still got a lot more growth to do. Definitely got talent there, but it needs a lot more growth. But in terms of what we've got across this board here now, I think it's realistic. I don't think anybody would necessarily disagree because it is realistic. But the two people that are leaving us tonight, and I want a round of applause for them for good effort for getting up there, guys, is Vivian. You'll be leaving us tonight. Welcome, buddy. Maxwell. Peter, what are you doing? And the second person, unfortunately, having to leave us tonight, guys, but I hope that this gives them drive and commitment to do even better after this. Not go, oh my God, I'm no good or nothing, because that isn't the case. We have people coming into this process that doesn't do very well in the first one, but they come back and they go all the way. So it is very, very possible. So don't ever give up on what you're capable of. But the second person we decided to be leaving us tonight is Stars. Alright, round of applause for Stars, guys. Well done, buddy. Welcome. Right then, so that does bring us to our final 14, alright? So guys, I'm going to come to you all now, and I'm going to let you know that what the categories are and who the mentors are for you, alright? Now remember, you still work with all of us, guys, if you want to, but obviously we put these mentors in place because we feel like you can learn a lot from that particular person, alright? So, are we all ready to know the categories? Yeah? Right then, so first up, I'm going to announce Louise's category, alright? So, Louise isn't here tonight, but these are the acts that will be working with Louise throughout this, and you can go to her for any advice you need, alright? So, the people that will be working with Louise throughout the next couple of weeks are Maisie, alright? Now, you haven't got to meet Louise yet. We will get to meet her, alright? She'll be back next week. But we will, she's in the group chat and everything too. I think, where's Mam too? Is Mam here or Dad? I think I got one of you in the chat, haven't I? Yeah, so I'll put you in touch with her anyway. She's incredible and we think she'll learn a lot from her, right? So you'll be working with Louise. Chloe, we've also paired you up with Louise because we think that you'll learn a lot from her too, alright? Ricky Hunter. Ricky, we paired you with Louise. Louise is incredible with instruments and stuff, so we think it's the right pairing to put you with Louise. And Jessica, you'll be working with Louise throughout the season. Alright? So that's Louise's category. The next category we have, we're going to go on to Kelly's category now. So Kelly's category, who you'll be paired up with to work with over the next couple of weeks. We've got Rachel. Rachel, you'll be working with Kelly. Soren, we'd like you to, work with Kelly throughout the next couple of weeks. And again, like I said, acts, take a little bit of, take this as a credit because we're pairing you with the people we feel like you could benefit the most with throughout the next couple of weeks. So that's why we're doing this, alright? And the last person with working with Kelly too is the arrangement. Alright, the arrangement, you've got to pick up the Kelly too. Right then, so we're going to go on to, so we'll go on to my category now then. So, the people that I'll be working with throughout this are Keely, alright, Tammy, where's Tammy too, alright, Steve, alright, welcome to the category, buddy, and Easy Mac, alright, so that's my category over the next couple of weeks. And then obviously that leaves us with Zoe's category then. We've got Brooke, you'll be working with Zoe. Sienna, you'll be working with Zoe. And Young Sex, alright, you'll be working with Zoe. So guys, remember now, that doesn't mean you can't work with the rest of us, you really can, alright? So don't feel like, oh my god, I might just think, you work with all of us, but this is ideally, in our minds, the people from what we're seeing from all of you, who we feel like you'll really connect with throughout this process, and that's why we've done this, alright? But we still work with everyone, alright? So just be aware of that. Other than that, that does conclude Bootcamp, alright? So next week is the first themed week. What we're going to do later, we're all going to have a chat in our chat, and we are going to give you themes, right? Now, the themes are going to be based on the categories, and not all of them. So, Kelly will contact 3 people she's working with, and she will give you a theme. And what you do with that theme, you take on something then that sits in that theme, right? It is a bit of a challenge, but remember, these challenges are here to put you out your comfort zone. That's what they are. And the biggest success of all is if you achieve them. If you could take them on and say, do you know what, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that. Work your hardest to smash them themes, alright? So we'll all be giving our themes to our categories later on this evening in the chat. Once you've got them, that's what you'll work on musically then for next Sunday, alright? So next Sunday is the first theme. Well done to you all. I think, honestly, after tonight, I think it's going to be an absolutely incredible season. I really believe that. There's so much variety here and so much talent on offer. So, guys, well done to you all. Because